Welcome back to my second post of our Boracay weekend. On this video, we went for the island tour package. We rented a wooden outrigger type boat, a common transport on the island, for a different view. A more of an offshore perspective that most tourists don't go for. The island is a very popular tourist destination in the Philippines, known for its white sand beaches, clear blue waters, and stunning sunsets. Boracay has a land area of 10 square kilometers or 4 square miles. There are many island tour packages available in Boracay that can help you explore the beauty of the island and its surroundings. Depending on your preferences, budget, and time, you can choose from different options that include activities such as island hopping, snorkeling, diving, parasailing, and more. For our package, we opted to just see the island. We started later in the afternoon, so we eliminated the lunch option on Magic Island and just swim around the snorkeling area before coming back to shore. This is our route for a quick tour of the popular areas of the island. The package we negotiated was to hire a private boat to visit various parts of the western side of the islands. We skipped the lunch buffet on Magic Island, did not include nearby Crocodile Island, and also skip on visiting Puka Beach. hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo or the YouTube subscribe symbol on the lower right corner of this video. Looking forward to create more content with my travel adventures. Thank you again for the support.